Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about our body parts. This is me and this is my body. Let's learn about my each body part. These are my eyebrows. My eyebrows. I have two eyes. Eyes. I have two lashes. Lashes. I have a nose. A nose. Touch your nose. I have teeth. Teeth. Show me your teeth. I have a tongue. A tongue. Show me your tongue. I have lips. My lips. I have hair. Black hair. What is your hair color? I have two ears. I listen from my ears. Touch your ears. I have a face. A face. I have shoulders. These are my shoulders. I have a neck. A neck. Touch your neck. I have two elbows. Two elbows. Touch your elbows. I have two hands. Two hands. I have fingers. I have 10 fingers. I have two knees. Knees. I have two legs. Two legs. I stand on my legs. I have